So today I'm gonna do an unboxing of this Hart LED compact lantern. I think it was worth like 30 bucks. So yeah, let's start unboxing the guy. Let me show the package. It gives you a 3-year limited warranty. Very nice. So it says here it does 400 lumies of light output. This is over 3 days of continuous light output. I'm wondering if they're including like the 2 amp or the 1.5 amp. They're not saying. Oh, with the 4 amp power battery. It says right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it says a 4 amp hour battery. I'm guessing for 3 days you need a 4 amp hour battery. Yep. So let's start unboxing this little dude. Yeah, it gives you more information on the back too. Yeah, but 3 days for a 4 amp, that's not bad. Let's see. This guy's on tight. Well, I wasn't expecting how tight the little dude. It looks like I am gonna have a little thing. Man, they put this on really good. That ain't good. Alright, didn't do any damage to it. Okay. Man, make these packs really tough sometimes. Let's see. And here are the owner's manual for the LED impact or LED compact lantern. And then they got more tools. They give you more, and there's more tools you can buy off of them. So let's see. And I also thought this guy was gonna be like squishy, but it's like a little bit of hard plastic. Oh, and I just also noticed that you can mount it on a wall. On just this side. Oh, that's pretty nice. You just mount it on a wall, or you can have it if you like, I don't know, have a backpack, you have it like hanging on a backpack. Just, you know, I didn't know it could be mounted on a wall. That's actually pretty nice. All right, let's see. We got a 1.5 amp hour battery. Okay. And, oh smokes, that is right, little guy. Oh, and it has like 3 settings. Oh, that's nice. All right, let's see. See how it looks like in the dark. All right, here it goes. That's the highest right now. Looks like it's bright enough. And then here we got the middle one, and then the low, and then off. So it's kind of cool. No, you can mount on a wall though. We got Mr. Donkey here, so you can see him through the night or dark. We can kind of see him. But that's pretty nice. You can mount on a wall, so I did not know that. This also would be perfect if you go under the sink. So like, I don't know, you're repairing a faucet or something. Or under your car. I can see this working out under your car, you know, to see that part. It kind of looks kind of good. For 3 days on a 4 amp, it kind of surprises me, honestly, if it's true. But man, that's pretty good. We'll here in a couple minutes, we'll mount it on the wall and see how it operates there. I think that'll be for now. Yeah. Now we're gonna mount this little, you know, the lamp, the Hart lamp on the wall. A little screw there. And I think this will work better on the wall, honestly, than a stud. But so there it goes, and it could be mounted there. See, there's a little mounting area. Just put your screw in the wall, and there you go. It mounts, and let's see how. Impressive little area. It's doing pretty good so far. It lights up a good distant area, you know. But this is pretty good. Like, if, you know, looks pretty good. I mean, you could just do pretty nice. Okay, so I honestly recommend this little guy. You know, using under the sink, a car, anything. The cool thing is you can mount it on something, which I did not notice that, which is pretty cool. You know, you can have it as for an emergency, like electricity goes out, you know. I'll be sitting in the living room, just slap on a little battery while the light comes back on, you know, and turn it on. You know, like especially like a winter storm, you know, electricity goes out, you have this guy at least to see what you're doing, you know. But yeah, this guy for like $30, I would recommend it. Just because it mounts, gives you a 3-year warranty. And you can put up to a 4 or 6 amp hour battery on this little guy. You know. You could also hang it from your backpack in case or you can use it for camping too. I just noticed that you can use it for camping. Go camping, just take a little battery, you know, in the middle of the night. You can just turn it on, you know, and then when you go sleep, just turn it off, you know. Pretty nice. I would recommend this little guy. And sometimes you have it on Walmart, sometimes down here they didn't until one day I passed by and they had it, and I was surprised because I wanted one of these to have, and also now that I got one, it's pretty cool to have. So yeah, I would recommend it.